I'm afraid to tell you guys that whales have been selling a ton of Bitcoin at these prices. Okay, we're going to discuss why this is happening. Should you panic? And what are the opportunities left in this market? Because I have some very interesting metrics and data to go over that I'm actually considering here. And this could be an opportunity, or it might not be. But like, we're going to try and make some money in this market no matter what. And first of all, guys, let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum holders keep growing in numbers and showing no signs of capitulation despite the price drop. Now, guys, I don't know if I'm the only one who seems to have noticed this, but we're about to get an Ethereum ETF. Yes, the market has not reacted like they did with the Bitcoin ETF, but I'm here to tell you that why would exactly the same thing happen again? Why would it? These people, BlackRock's, Larry Finks, all of these guys want you to think that it's a non-event. Oh, it's just the Ethereum ETF. It's just an altcoin getting an ETF. It's nothing. It doesn't mean anything. Just sell your Ethereum. It doesn't mean anything. Guys, come on. Come on. This is going to start trading in like 2 weeks. I believe that this is the biggest catalyst for altcoins ever in the history of crypto. But I could be wrong, and my money could go to zero. Don't you guys fall for that, because I can risk the money because I only put money in. I can afford to lose. But guys, I think this is going to be absolutely huge, and I think everyone who's selling Ethereum now is absolutely nuts. And if we look at the short term, right, let's look at the little cheeky technicals here. We have this little form, this little trend that's happening, all right? Boom, 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 all the way down. And we are right now playing with it. We came all the way as low as 3,350. Oh my God. Our trade went down, but we're still in $2,500 profit. And that would have been a lovely little place to start a little position. I wish I started a massive position in Ethereum there, but now I'm going to wait. Are we going to break through this? If we do, potentially, this could be an amazing opportunity to buy up some trades for Ethereum to at least get a 7% gain, if not the old all-time high around 10%. Now, you can trade on Margex. As you can see, I do that. All of our trades currently are in profit. We have our CRV trade, which is very interesting. This was called from our trader in the free Discord. If you guys do want to come and check that out, where is the trade? Here it is, long CRV. So that is in a significant amount of profit already. And if you guys want access to this free Discord, all you have to do, sign up to Margex, grab yourself $10,000 of deposit bonuses. Don't worry, no matter where you are in the world, you can sign up anywhere. No VPN, no KYC, no personal details. You can just sign up and then you get access to the free Discord. And of course, guys, if you want access to the trades that I'm doing each and every day in this market, you can see the link down there. We have recently bought a little cheeky risky play here, a $200,000 market cap, which could go absolutely crazy. And of course, we bought shampoo way earlier than most people in this market. Made a nice little bag on that. So the links are down there in the description. Ethereum. If you're a holder, I would continue dollar cost averaging. That's what I'm doing. And I am, of course, going to do those trades. And I have my trade open. The bull run hasn't even started yet. Don't get shaken out. 2016, we had a 30% correction. 2020, we had a 20% correction, both post-halving. Alts then went parabolic a few months later. And guys, did we have an Ethereum ETF back then? I think not. I don't think we did. So it seems obvious to me. What would you do if you were BlackRock? If you were Larry Fink and you were sitting on your chair, in your billion-dollar mansion chair, and you were going, what can we do to make more money? I know. Let's push the price down, convince the market that it's a non-event, buy up as much as possible. Then when it actually starts trading and the price goes up, people who buy our ETF, the Ethereum ETF, we can just sell them the Ethereum that we purchased at a much cheaper price. And then we just instantly make money. Like, that's what I think is happening. And I could be wrong. But why wouldn't they do that? What? I don't know. Why wouldn't they? I'm sure some of you guys, no, Connor, that's illegal. They would never do something. No, like, that's what they're doing, all right? They're profiting off you guys. Whether or not the price goes up or down, they're profiting off retail investors, all right? Understand that. And that will help you make money in this market. Now, I told you there are whales that have been selling. Look at this, ancient Bitcoin whales to the tune of billions. On-chain data shows that long-term Bitcoin whales have sold a whopping $1.2 billion of Bitcoin in the past 2 weeks. Literally an unprecedented amount of selling according to CryptoQuant. Why might these guys be selling? Why might they be selling? Well, if they're really old, right? Not old people, but they've been around for ages. I feel like it would be sensible to take a lot of money at all-time highs, right? This is all-time highs. They may very well have been accumulating over the last 10 years. Why not take profits at all-time highs? I don't see any issue in this. Also, to be sure, it's about 0.001% of the market cap. So it's not that much of a big deal here. But we do also have a verified list of billionaires. There's at least 40 billionaires that own Bitcoin, right? Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, so on and so forth. We also have Bitcoin addresses holding over 1 Bitcoin dropped to just 1 million. Guys, there's 1 million people or 1 million addresses that hold 1 Bitcoin. I hold more than that in more than one address. So this could be like 500,000 people that hold, or less, that hold 1 Bitcoin. There's only 21 million Bitcoin. 2 million of those are gone. 2 million of those are in Satoshi's wallet. Like, guys, there's going to be a supply shock and no one is going to see it coming. And then you're going to be going, why on earth did I care about buying Bitcoin at $65,000 because I wanted it at $60,000. It really makes no difference, guys. The drop, look, if you put $1,000 into Bitcoin today, right? You're waiting for 60,000 because your mate told you it's definitely 100% going to 60,000. I have a crystal ball. Great, cool. Your mate's super awesome and intelligent. You put in $1,000 today at 65. It then drops to 60. All right. What did you just lose? $60. Who cares? When it drops to 60, put in another $1,000. So if you have $5,000, don't put $5,000 in today. Break it up, dollar cost average into the market. So when it goes down, or if it goes down, you get to benefit. If it goes up, you still have access to the upside. You can never time this market perfectly. Anyone who tells you they can is full of shit. That's not how it works, right? You can't time the perfect bottoms. You can't time the perfect tops. I bought near perfect bottom in the bear market. Do you know why that was? It's not because I'm a genius. It's not none of that. It's because I just buy all the time when there's fear. So I bought at $40,000. I bought Bitcoin at $40,000 after the $65,000 high. I was the idiot, right? I was buying at $40,000. Oh, Conor, you're catching a falling knife. Oh, you were right. It went to 30,000. Damn, what did I do? I bought more. Okay, then it dropped to 20,000. Oh, see, Conor, you're an idiot. Bitcoin's going to $2,000. Yep, cool, mate. That's awesome, man. You're super cool and intelligent. Then Bitcoin, when Russia invaded Ukraine, went to 15,000. I bought on that day. I was on a plane. I got off the plane. I bought. Right? I bought my dad Bitcoin. I bought my friends Bitcoin. I bought myself loads of Bitcoin. I bought. And I might have timed the actual perfect bottom. 15,400 and I bought about 15,700, right? So I timed the absolute bottom. Not because I'm a genius, just because I dollar cost average. That's how I trade in this market. And that's how I've managed to get consistent, great prices for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and a number of other altcoins because that's how I trade, right? So you guys do your research, figure out if that's what you want to do. I'm not here to tell you what to do. I'm just here to tell you what I do. Now, Bitcoin on exchanges reserve metric hits 3-year low. So since the last high, Bitcoin is at its lowest point on exchanges ever. While everyone else is panicking, people are buying, right? On top of that, let's look at some opportunities, all right? Meme coins are bouncing back. Degen is something that I talked to you about. It's down like a lot since I first talked about it. Since I bought it, it's down like 32%, all right? But it had a very nice bounce. It is along with Pepe, Brett, and Base's Degen lead the meme coin sector, all right? Pepe, Brett, Degen. Pay attention to all of these. Do you want to know the difference between Pepe, Brett, and Degen? Degen is 150 odd million market cap. Brett is 1.5 billion. Pepe is multiple billions. Degen stands out to me as the opportunity that could be the one that does the next 5 to 10x, right? Awesome. If it does 5 to 10x, I'm happy. I'm not looking for 100x. I got a lot of money into it. I'm just looking for a 5 to 10x. Perfect. Then I'll just sell it all. It's got enough liquidity for me to just dump it all. Won't make a difference to the market. I run along happy, and no one ever knows. And we make money. That's what we're here for crypto. Now, there's another opportunity that popped up again recently. Evermoon been around for a while, right? It had its ups. It's definitely had its downs. In the last 7 days, it's up 262%. Now, they're working on a new website. They're working on some stuff here. $3 million market cap, absolutely tiny. Trying to actually do what SafeMoon did. Can they do it? Don't know. But this could be early enough to grab the next 10, 100x. Who knows? A little bit of money could go a long, long way with something like this. Now, again, I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm holding this to see maybe before everyone goes back to this sort of mindset, before everyone piles back into Ethereum and they want to find the opportunities, I'm going to get in early. Maybe it goes to 0, maybe it does 100x. Another opportunity that I've been talking about, Shampoo. Still a $17 million market cap. We spoke about it at an $8 million market cap. I brought it to you on the private Patreon. You guys can jump into that. Links in the description. But very nice. Holding up very nicely. $441,000 of liquidity. Almost 2,500 holders. And they burn at every milestone. The dev has not sold a penny of this. And that's why I think this is staying up. And I think that's what separates this from the rest of the market. So check it out. Chinese Trump might do really well. I think it's going to do. And now, guys, Bored Ape Yacht Club. The Bored Ape Yacht Club has fallen from 150 Ethereum to 8 Ethereum. NFTs are pretty much dead, right? We've not seen a resurrection in these. But look at this, 9 Ethereum. Oh, I've been thinking I want to get one of these. I do want to get one. And maybe we're at the bottom of the market, or maybe it goes to 0. Now, I want to look, I think that the crypto punks are the one, man. Like, it's still so expensive and there's none for sale. But these are the ones, right? The first NFTs. I think that narrative is just going to go on. And I think that a punk is the thing that you want to get your hands on. I want to get my hands on one of these, but no one's selling them. No one wants to sell them. And it's fair enough. No one wants to sell them. But maybe Bored Ape Yacht Club has a resurrection at some point. Right now, the price is 9 Ethereum. I don't know. I'm not buying right here, but I want to hear from you guys. Do you think that NFTs could ever come back? Or do you think that it's just the blue chips, right? Let me know what you think about that in the description. And wait, let me just check. I still hold a World of Women. Where are you? There you are. I wonder what the floor price of these is now. Oh, 0.3. Not terrible, but I still hold one of these. One day, will NFTs pop back? I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.